Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the May 2026 bargain bead box to share with y'all today. I have a coupon code for the bargain bead box. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So it looks like the theme this time is Serengeti Safari. Take a walk on the wild side with an earthy mix of jaspers, agate, and more. Gemstone varieties include leopard skin, brown zebra, red rainbow, and African turquoise jasper, plus Z agate beads and mahogany obsidian. Accents include giraffe, lion, and elephant motifs, plus a selection of sparkling crystals and high-quality findings. And then down under here is your 30% off coupon if you're a subscriber to the bargain bead box. You get a 30% off coupon that you can use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains, and you can use it as many times as you want to during the month, and they already have great prices. And then on the back here is a list of everything that's in the box. It says estimated retail value for the shipment is $90.81. It's just a really, really great value box. So I'm just going to dump it out here and take a little peek. Looks like the findings this time are gold. Some gold chain there. All these pretty gemstones, just really pretty. So hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. And first I have a 39mm leopard skin jasper teardrop pendant. And that's just really, really pretty. The hole at the top there. It's just a beautiful pendant. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of leopard skin jasper tumbled nugget beads. Those are just really beautiful. Go so well with that pendant. All these beads do. They're just beautiful. All different shapes and just really pretty. And then next is a 15-inch strand of 8mm shaded brown zebra jasper round beads. Those are really, really pretty. All kinds of different patterns. And a big long strand, 16 inches. Make a lot of pieces with that. Of course, you can always make lots and lots of pieces with the bargain bead box. That's why it's such a great value. It's beautiful. Did I say 16-inch strand? It's a 15-inch strand. I don't remember which I said. It's a 15-inch strand. It's really pretty, creamy colors mixed with the brown. It's really pretty. And then next is a 4.7-inch strand of 10mm zebra jasper faceted coin beads. Those are really, really pretty. Faceted. Makes them sparkle a little bit. It's really beautiful. I like that white one. I like all of them, but it's really, really pretty. And then next is a 5-inch strand of 10mm leopard skin jasper round beads. Get all kinds of different sizes and shapes to work with. It's really, really pretty. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of Z agate dyed and heated black and white faceted beads. Those are really pretty. Really, really beautiful. Did they say faceted? Yeah, faceted. I thought they looked faceted. Got a little bit of a facet to them. Just a real subtle facet, but you can still tell. It's really pretty. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 7 to 8 millimeter red rainbow jasper English cut round beads. Those are beautiful. Put a little pop of color in with these browns and creams and all that. It's really pretty. Just also interesting. And then next is a 7.5 inch strand of 4 by 2 millimeter African turquoise jasper dyed Hishi beads. And those are really pretty. Got a little more green in those. Or turquoise it said, didn't it? Yeah. It's really pretty. Another pop of color to go with all these other beads. It's really, really pretty. And then next is a 7.5 inch strand of mahogany obsidian tumbled nugget beads. They're just beautiful. Just the larger nugget beads. That dark brown color, it's just so pretty. And then next is, doesn't say how long this strand is, but it's long, 4.5 millimeter crystal faceted triangle beads in safari mix. So these are some really pretty and shiny triangle beads that I've got all the colors that are in the beads we've already looked at in a mix here. Really pretty. Add some sparkle to your pieces. You all know I love sparkle. They're just really, really pretty. And then next is a 7.5 inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in champagne shimmer. Those are really sparkly. Those are really, really pretty. Talk about adding some sparkle, those will definitely do it. Just gorgeous. And then next is a 38 by 35 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel giraffe pendant. And that is so pretty. A little adult giraffe, I guess, and a baby giraffe. A little tree there. That's what the back looks like. It's just really cool. It's really pretty. And then next are 2 pieces of 20 millimeter freshwater shell links with elephant pattern. That's just really neat. A little hole on each side there. That's what the back looks like. It's really neat. And then next is a 13 by 11 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel lion head. That's really cool. It's the back of his head. It's got a pretty big hole there. It goes through there like that. Probably get that on some leather. It's really cute. And then next are two 14 by 5 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass giraffe charms. These are so cute. A little giraffe. And the same on both sides. Be a perfect pair of earrings to go with that pendant. It's got a little jump ring on it already. Oops. Those are so cute. And then next are two, let's see, 14 by 11 millimeter handmade porcelain elephant beads, ivory glaze. That's really neat. The hole goes through like that. These are really cute. And then next are 20 pieces 7 millimeter textured bicone spacer beads in gold. Those are really pretty spacer beads. Shaped like a little flat bicone. Really, really pretty. And then next are two 18 karat gold plated stainless steel lobster claw clasps. It's really neat to get some lobster clasps in case you don't have any in gold. And this is not a bright gold. This is more of a pale gold. Already got a couple of jump rings attached to each one. This is really nice. And then last is 1 meter of 3 by 2 millimeter stainless steel cable jewelry chain in gold. And again, I like how they include things like this. Not everybody has all the findings and all the different finishes, and I don't have an awful lot of gold. I have like a lot of silver, but I don't have a lot of gold. It's really nice that they include things like that. It's a really pretty chain. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in my picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the May 2026 bargain bead box called Serengeti Safari. Just all kinds of beautiful beads and findings as usual. They're always just really beautiful. And like I said, it's a great value box. You can make so many pieces of jewelry from the beads and findings that come in one bargain bead box. It's just amazing. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.